And usually they'll hang in there. Boy, the bees is not too active today.
Active enough for me.
I know, right? Stand a
They
little
don't
close.
They don't bother you, baby.
Oh, as he flies toward our heads.
Have you ever been stung at, Pam?
Yes, filming Daddy. I sure was.
Oh no. So was my. Did you see the video my dad took of filming Pawpaw?
Yes.
He was standing way over there and one stung him.
I was over there too.
Hey, Anna, look. Watch this. Come here, baby. Come here.
Good look, Anna.
I'm gonna stand right here and watch it.
Come on.
He's talking to the bees. Can we get closer? Probably get stung.
Here, give him a finger.
Oh my word.
Come
What's
on.
he doing?
All right, don't bite. Just give him a finger.
Can they get in?
Oh, yeah.
Where? Oh, that little bitty hole?
They go in there and down there.
Oh my gosh.
See how small that hole is? Look at him come out.
Oh my gosh.
They
look
hungry.
at 'em.
They can get through a small hole, believe me. Anyway, basically,
Tell her why you have that brick in the water, Daddy.
where they don't drown, they'll sit on the brick and just soak up the moisture. If they
Okay.
get into the water, they'll drown.
What about a tip, huh? So if you want to water your bees or give water to your bees, make sure you put something for them to stand on. That's an added bonus tip to this video.
The water's clean, and the reason it's turning green is rainwater. It's not chlorinated water, but the green won't hurt them. It's just a slime. It won't hurt them.
An algae?
Algae. Use the cardboard, people. It keeps it out of the landfill, and it improves the quality of soil big time.
And the worm towers.
And the worm towers. You combine that in your garden, and it don't happen overnight. It takes 3 or 4, 5, 6 months, but you'll start seeing the improvement. It'll really improve.
So they kind of set their garden or their flower bed ahead of everybody else's, possibly.
That's right, because the cardboard will actually hold moisture underneath that mulch until it decays. And as long as that moisture's there, you got the worms and Lord knows what kind of insects.
Will it help to insulate during the winter?
Yes, it will. If you do it like right before winter, it'll do it. But now if you put it in like 6 months before winter, it's gone by the time winter gets there. I mean, it's decayed, it's gone. But
All right.
they need to do, and look, don't be bashful. People, I got eggshells. Look, see this? I got eggshells buried. There's no telling what you're gonna find buried down in there. I got eggshells, potato scraps. Chop and drop if you'll look. Yeah,
So why did you bury that pot, Pawpaw?
same thing. This is clay. That pot's about that deep in the ground, and when you water it, the water gets down that little hole I dug to set the pot in, and it'll sit there, and it percolates back up through the pot and keeps it damp. That way you hadn't got to water it every 2 or 3 times a day. It'll kind of water itself in that clay.
And what is that plant right there?
That is my hibiscus for my tea. That's what I make my tea out of, but I about made my last one. It's gone.
That's an interesting plant.
It is.
Looks like it's from an alien planet.
I tell you what, that doggone thing I love it. See there? The thing is, it's just about gone. It's going to seed.
So, this is the part you eat?
You can eat it, make tea out of it.
And then here, what is
Is it?
that? That's the seed pod?
That's the seed pod.
Okay.
See? The seeds in it.
Are you going to plant any?
Oh, I got a bunch of them drying right now. I got a bunch of them planted in here.
Can I
got
try
a bunch
some,
of them
Pawpaw?
planted over yonder. Huh?
What part do you eat?
The red
This
part.
red part? Okay.
They dry. They got a,
Almost tastes like a pickle.
yeah, no, it's good. It's really good.
Really? A pickle?
Good.
No, thank you.
It's good.
This man will eat anything, anywhere. All right.
Like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Pawpaw Sammy and Allybug's YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and keep up to date with what they're up to. He's doing a whole bunch of projects almost every day. And we hope you enjoyed learning about the worm tubes and the mulch and the bees and everything else Pawpaw teaches.